You gotta get eaten. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't go there. Don't go there. There's a hog right there. Right there. You are crazy. No, 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 no. You see that? There's a hog sitting right there. Come on, buddy. Get away. Right there. The hog is right there. Oh, there's another one coming. See? Look at that. Two of them next to each other now. See the one on the top, on the bottom? Two hogs next to each other. Might be a male and female. Holy smoke. And the squirrel is right here, just like they don't know what's going on right there. They just on the tree next to the hog. Man.